Hi guys, okay, this is a trading robot which we looked at previously. I always keep an eye out on the trading robots that I've looked at before, and I thought that this one would be a good candidate for a high-risk trading experiment. If you missed a video for this trading robot, you can have a look at it here, and I'll also put a link to it in the video description. Also, you should see a pop-up right about now. I did skim through it in the video, but in summary, it's been optimized from 2019. So before this date, it hasn't worked that well, but after, the results look great. It has a high frequency of wins, but there is also a large stop loss versus small take profits. However, I've noticed it does trail the stops to try and minimize the losses as soon as the market starts to go its way. The price of this has also changed. When we looked at it, it was $50. It's now $150, and the author says that he will increase it as sales kick in. To be honest, all trading authors seem to do this. It was the live trading count that was interesting. High risk, high reward. It's made a 233% return since November. It's only a small account, and there was a big loss when the full stop kicked in, but it's recovered since to reach new highs. It was this that gave me the idea to try a high risk trading experiment with a money withdrawal strategy. I'll explain that shortly as we get through the video. Looking at the breakdown of the trades from the signal, we can see its take profit is a maximum of 20 pips with a max loss of 100 pips. There are profits there of under 20 pips. This is where the trailing stop is kicking in. You can tell because the stop loss column has stop losses which are much lower than the 100 you see before it has trailed. So far 34 trades and 33 of these have been winners, which gives it a 97% win rate. So this is the money withdrawal strategy that we're going to use with this trading robot on a 1000 UK pound account. I'll also be using a highly leveraged account and trading a 2-lot size. Every time the account makes £1,000, I will withdraw or bank that money and continue, and that's it. I took the history of the live trades from the live signal and worked out historically what would have happened if I had traded this using 0.2 fixed lots and starting with £100. The first trades on a live account were sized at 0.1 lot size, so for all of these, I've doubled both the wins and losses, so it's comparable to the 0.2 fixed lot size, which was traded from the 10th of December. The last column from the bottom up shows the cumulative amount in the account. We start off with 100, then it's 114.7, and then 131.62 as we accumulate the winnings. Now once the profit has made 100% return, we bank that money. So that's at £203.88, which leaves £103.88. Next trade makes £15.14 as per the profit column, and hence why that next figure going up is £118.66. The account keeps growing and now it's at £210.36. We bank the £100 again and then it grows again. However, the account crashes here, wiping out the account. We have to furnish it here with £100 to start again, and so on and so on. Since adding, you'll see that we managed to bank £100 two more times. So in summary, from the £100 start, we would have banked £400, but we would have had to put back £100 to seed the account again after it's crashed. This means that in total, we would have £412.99, of which £112.99 is still in the trading account, and £300 is what we've banked. This is over a 300% return on our funds. So I'm going to try this on my own account with £1,000. 2-lot size and bank £1,000 each time it makes that profit. So it's just like everything we've talked about in the previous slides, but 10 times larger. I want to see my £1,000 turn into 4,000. The link on the screen will take you to my FX book account so you can track the progress of this live. Of course, this is high risk trading. It's possible that my account will blow up immediately. So I'm definitely not recommending anyone do this. However, wish me luck. And here are the links to the MingTrader AUDCAD trading robot for MT4 and MT5, and also their live tracker if you're interested. And finally, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you at our next video.